on the field. The kick is good.
Go! Wow!
Wow!
This is your little stadium, and it'll capture every moment you score a goal.
The goal is too small.
Don't kick with your toe. Use the inside of your foot, okay? Slow down, look at the ball, go. Okay, one more try. One more try. Ethan takes a shot and it's in! Goal! A goal is fun, but control is what makes you better. Okay, let's start.